Alright guys, so today I wanted to do a bit of an experiment. As you know, I've had the Roomba for a couple of weeks now. Really pleased with how it's all been going. But today I wanted to do a little test. As you know, I've got the lounge room here, kitchen next door and bedroom. And what I've been doing is I've set up the virtual wall to basically cut off the lounge room from the bedroom, and I always leave the kitchen door closed. And what I've found is the Roomba will spend 52 minutes roughly in here doing the lounge room, and then normally I'll actually manually take it into the bedroom and let it do the bedroom, and it'll spend almost the same amount of time in the bedroom. What I want to see now is exactly how much time it will spend doing each room if I don't have any virtual walls on. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave all the doors open, have no virtual walls on, and let the Roomba do a full clean of the whole apartment, and then figure out how much time it's spent in each room and if it's done a good job. And to test whether or not it's done a good job, I've got a whole lot of shredded paper. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sprinkle that around the place and see if it picks it all up, and also whether or not it does good coverage in every room. So let's see how it goes. Alright, check it out. I have actually just quickly gone around the apartment, and as you can see, my carpet has dandruff. So what I've done is I've quickly just sprinkled the shredded paper pretty well, just lightly. I don't want to, fill up the bin or anything, but I wanted it to at least give me an indication as to how far it's gone. Now, you can't see it very well, but there's actually white bits of paper all over the kitchen floor as well, but obviously that's a little difficult to see. I think that's a piece right there. So yeah. So what I'll do now is I'll let this thing go and we'll see how well it does. Okay, so all done. It took just over an hour to do all three rooms, so basically the whole apartment in about 58 minutes. So that's obviously a big change to doing 52 minutes just in the one room. The breakdown was 30 minutes out in the lounge room, 12 minutes in the kitchen, and 25 minutes in the bedroom. So I'll whack in all the little clips so you can see the transitions. It doesn't actually go from room to room in order, it just bounces around. So sometimes it'll go into the lounge room for 2 minutes, and it'll go off into the kitchen for 12 minutes, then go off into the bedroom for another 3 or 4 minutes, and then just rotate around. But you'll be able to see that in the video, and I'll see if I can put all the time frames into the video as a table or something for you as well. So also, as far as checking out, it did pick up all the stuff, as you can see. There is almost, oh, there's that one little bit of paper there. And then out the lounge room here, there was a piece of paper over there and a piece of paper just there, and that's the only paper in the lounge room. And the kitchen, I think it actually picked up everything in the kitchen. So yeah, it looks like it did pretty well. Even though it only did it for an hour, it actually picked up all the bits of paper bar those three. So I'm actually still really impressed. When I thought, or sorry, when I saw that it was only doing it for an hour, I thought, wow, it's really going to miss a lot of stuff. It's not doing anywhere near as thorough a job. But yeah, picked up all the paper, so pretty impressive.